So special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this drone to unbox and show you. Discover the new world. Some of the features down here: altitude hold, auto takeoff and landing, headless mode, replaceable battery, 2.4 gigahertz control, Wi-Fi, and photos and recording. Company information along the bottom, nothing on the top. The side has the same info as the front bottom had. Company logo over here, and the back just has a nice picture of it, the W10. So let's cut the seal and see what all comes inside of this box with this drone. I'll have this out. Oh, wow, that's the drone. Okay, I thought it'd be something else. Get the rest of it out. That's it for that box. We'll do the other boxes first. So this box has the controller. That's it for that. So it will need some batteries, nice little joysticks, power button, very nice little controller. Wow, like the feel of it. Then we've got some guards for the propellers and landing gear as well. Inside of this white box this looks like a bunch of stuff. So yeah, that's it for that box. So this is a clip for your cell phone, because you do have to pair this with your cell phone to be able to do everything. This clip is able to slide it right down into here so that it's mounted to the controller. Then inside of this, oh wow, look at that, they included batteries. We have the needed AA batteries for the controller. That's awesome. Some extra propellers for the drone, the USB proprietary charging cable to charge up battery for the drone, and included little screwdriver for maintenance on the drone to take off propellers and stuff like that. And these are actually the batteries. So the battery plugs in here to charge with that USB cable, and then this just goes right into the drone and allows it to fly. Having two batteries is great because you can drain one and then bring the drone back, put the other battery in, and you're good to go. And of course, one thing you'll definitely want to read having a drone is a user's manual. You'll want to read this front to back to make sure you fully understand how this drone works and what it's capable of. And then lastly, here is our W10 drone inside of, well, it's actually zip tied. One second. So here is our else in that box. A little drone. You got your 4 propellers. You've got room for your propeller guards to go on if you want to use those. Your battery goes right back here and all plugs in. And then here is your little camera right on the front, as well as a power button. Very light drone, and that should essentially do it for this W10 drone unboxing. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me to unbox and show you everything that comes inside of here. As you can see, even including the batteries for your controller, you will have everything you'll need to get this drone up in the air. Just download the needed app, go through the setup process, and you should be flying your drone in no time. So thanks again to this company for sending it. Thank you all for watching this unboxing, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.